We're currently at... Oh, Jesus. He's crying on the inside. We're currently filling up with the corn juice. Oh, anyways, we'll probably see you tomorrow in the morning when we're getting some nice croissants and stuff for some brekkie. Got Matt Ryan and Aiden Dunnett coming with us.
Drew Aiden Dunnett.
Drew Aiden Dunnett. The R31 crusher. Anyways, we'll see you there. Never mind, I lied again. We're not at breakfast yet. We're still at night, right after the servo. And we're watching the VE. But, hey, at least I can get some cool clips of the VE, which I'm going to do. So, here you go. Here's some cool clips of the VE. What?
Did you get my fart?
No, but I can tell it. Oh, hello. Oh, I can see myself in it now. Never used to be able to. Yeah, you don't look at the bonnet. You can't see it when it's wet, but like it's pretty bad. Anyways. Me. Oh. That's all you get for tonight because, yeah.
To the next clip.
To the next clip, which will probably still be tonight, but somewhere else. And yeah, you'll probably see us at breakfast tomorrow morning, or like picking someone up or something. Anyways, I don't know who's coming with us yet, but we'll see you then. Well, I forgot to film at the breakfast when we had breakfast, but the MSD two-step. Probably wire that up. Right now it's set to I don't actually know how that works. But yeah, we'll probably set it up and get a little switch on it. Have a little switch right there. Rolling through the piece. Anyways, I need to take all this stuff out. I need 2 hands. Who are these guys?
Oh, cheers, bud.
This thing is so clean. Oh, it's got the Ferrari Momo badge on it too, same as mine. I have Momo steering wheel too.
Jeez.
Pretty much an EV.
We are. All the dress ups, mate.
It is a bit overdone on the body kit, but it is clean as. Midnight too. Oh, looks like it.
Hayden who and who?
This is his older brother. Sorry, younger brother. No.
Oh, sister.
Yeah. Clean as. Get the angles. Get on your knees. Get the angles. Let's go and watch some drifting.
Coming down the straight now.
Machine still up on the wall. O'Grady right next to him, diving up to the inside. 371 absolutely pushing him through. Now as we tighten up the corner there, nice and wide for Jackson onto the transition now. A little bit lazy there, drops the tire on the outside. Bogger all over him. Has to get the nose out. Let Jackson transition into the final two corners. Right up there, Bogger absolutely bullying Jackson around the course right now.
That's a left foot brake on through.
Coming down now into turn one. Big initiation for both drivers. O'Grady driving through the corner. Snell just starts falling back a little bit. Just not the same amount of grip. Oh, he drops the tyre on the outside and straightens up.
It's pretty deep out there too. Could have done. Alright, copy.
O'Grady coming through the rest of the course. I think that's actually
It's
DB.
David on the left side.
Oh, it's great. Grady's gone around. We're too busy looking over at Snell. Brendan O'Grady spun as well.
the same spot? Yeah.
I tried to keep into it, but I didn't think it was going to look like that.
Especially with the horseshoe there and that.
What have you done, Dad? We should go and ask Bogger that question actually. He's on who done it.
Yeah,
Was it his wheel?
his back wheel, my back wheel. No, I just I scratched.
Damn it! Anyways, car's going good. No issues. I'll put some videos in of the two-step we installed. We got the two-step switch down there. So we turn that on, and it's fun time.
Absolutely great. Looks like Jack shut it down. Now, knowing Jack is here, exploded another gearbox. Jack in the lead, 15 to
Yeah.
Oh, I reckon Nathan's cooked his motor.
Spicy.
Oh no. What have we got here?
Oh no.
That opening.
We have not got it.
I mean, at least it's all recorders in case Aiden done it.
2 times.
2 times? Being generous, Jesus.
3 times.
And both recorders both times.
Yeah. No, that's how the other side. Yeah, it's weird the way it came though, eh? I'll send you a video.
Yeah, we're like this, right? And then it's like,
Yeah. It does have all the skill as well.
What are those? What are those?
Thanks for that.
He also drops a tire in response. Nick McKernan once again, super smooth, nice snappy transitions, very
Oh no.
oh no.
Hopefully the car works now because
I haven't vlogged anything, so I don't know what you've vlogged.
I mean I haven't vlogged anything much in there. I've only vlogged like videoed because my phone's out of
So
storage.
essentially, every battle, I've hit someone, but somehow I made it through to top 16, and then top 16, my throttle body died,
You got 11.
and then what happened next? Then we disconnected the battery for like half an hour, and now it seems to be working again. So
I don't think shut up. I don't think you can see
oh,
it.
that was hard in the dirt.
Anyways, see how this goes. That's all she wrote.
Was that tailgate down? Was that tailgate down in my ute?
Oh shit.
I put something in it.
Because it gets hell close, eh?
It was full of fuel. We were getting it off everything.
But no, it's not 8 Forward.
Oh, that's all she wrote.
But now it's got like an orange
Be
light.
for us until we fix
Never had
this
an orange engine light on.
throttle issue.
It has everything but an actual engine light.
Yeah! Holden!
Spot here. I know. Unfortunately, Squid and I didn't get to battle each other in competition today, but we have in the past. How did the drivers stack up today compared to Episu, etc.?
Oh, yeah, the VP Calais. Full rusty old spec. Let's go and see Jake Jones is. Jake Jones.
Is that alright like that?
Oh, yeah. Copyright music, copyright
I
music.
don't even know where I put that.
Accept you live. What do you know I'm not?
Fucking hemorrhoid. It's a boil. Got boils on his ass.
Oh, you still got shorts on.
Yeah.
This guy.
Black
We all squished up. We're 5 people, nothing. And look at the leg room of this thing. Look at my leg room. That's like I can fit from my pointer finger to my thumb in between there. And like that's like my legs are thicker than that. My legs aren't very thick though.
My back though.
My bad.
Anyway, it's probably the end of the video. So,
Day done.
day done.
Day spent well.
Day spent well on
well.
broken cars.
Good.
And broken wheels.
Oh,
Team
what's the Duco?
Team Destroy out. Bang! Ow!